Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can change the column width as well as the row height here on Google Sheets really quickly. So let's get started right away. Now guys, customizing the width and the height of your columns and rows is super simple, super intuitive. All you need to do is, let's take for example that column here, column B, for demonstration purposes. All you need to do is click on one of the edges of the given column. So let me click on the right edge of that column, hold your left mouse and simply drag it here to the right or to the left to either increase or to decrease the width of your column, just like that. And you may apply the same trick to your rows and customize their height. So let us go with row number 5. Click on one of the edges of the given row, hold your left mouse and drag the edge to the top or to the bottom, just like that, to set a custom height of your row, just like that. Super simple, as you can see. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.